Guys, when you're taking a walk through Sam's Club, you need to check out the tools also. Sometimes they have nice little kits, nice little tools that you come across. Skil Twist 2.0 comes with LED work light, 3 torque settings, 35-piece set, patented pivoting head, has its rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver. It has adjustable angle. You can go three positions, straight out, to the side, and to the side a little bit more. You have forward and back buttons here, the lock button here. You have 3 torque settings. You can select high, medium, and low torque settings. Comes with all the bits, most of the bits you need. Torx bits, Phillips bits, straight bladed bits, square drive bits, an extended flat bladed screwdriver, and an extended Phillips screwdriver. So the price on this was, I believe, $22. It was $17 off. I don't think you can go wrong. It's not a major purchase, but it gets jobs, makes things a lot nicer versus using big screwdrivers in certain areas. Now, it's not going to have the power to drive things home if you're building something with wood screws, but that's not the purpose. The purpose is to get into tight areas that need access to with a quick hand there. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.